Good morning, everyone. I'm so happy to see you. I wish we were in person, but this is the best that we can do. Today, I'm going to talk to you about calendars. Calendars are a great way to keep yourself organized and knowing what you're going to be doing. This one says Mom and Me. This one's about the seasons, and this one's about the weather. They all have different pictures for each of the things that they are talking about. So here with the seasons, we would talk about the season. This one's kind of where we're going with the fall. And this is the one that I'm using right now, and it says Mom and Me. And the back of it, it has a bunch of different pictures. Each of these pictures represents the month that's in it. So I'm going to flip right on over to August, and you see that one picture, and then you see the actual calendar. What I want to show you with this is, you noticed I put a dot on the 31st. August, it says it up here, the 31st. It's Monday. And I put that dot because that's when you and I are going to meet face to face like this. And we're going to be able to have some conversation. And I say face to face because this is what we have to do right now until we can get back into the school building. So this is what we're going to be working on. So I want to remember that I'm going to have a Google Meet with you. So I'm going to mark it on my calendar so I don't have another date at that time. Okay, so I know on Monday the 31st, you and I are having a meeting, okay, on Monday. So I'm going to flip to September, our next month. Again, you'll see the picture on the calendar, and then you have the month, September, and you have all the dates. I went ahead and marked all the Mondays on here, except for this one, because this is a holiday. We're not going to see each other on this day. But I put the dots on the other days so that we remember that we have a meeting. Okay, but let's just say that this meeting is with Mrs. Alvarez. But let's say that my meeting's at 7:35. That's when I meet with second grade at 7:35 in the morning. But let's say that I meet with first grade at 10 o'clock. I might want to put a different color dot to remind myself that I have another meeting. So this is for my second grade, and this is for my first grade. This helps me to keep myself on track and organized because, as we know, we need to be proactive. And this keeps me on my path to success. And you're going to learn how to do this as well. We're going to work on this together. Okay. And so when you get to the Canvas page, you'll see that I'm going to have a video talking about this. Okay. And you can go back to it and refresh your memory if you don't remember how to do it. And you can write it in pencil. You don't have to use a sticker. But if you like the stickers, I will send home some stickers that you can use. Have a great time keeping track of your meetings, and let me know how you like it. Send me a video. I know your teachers have been working with you on recording yourself and being able to submit that. So please, please, please share with me when you're recording your Google Meets with your classroom teachers and myself, and send me a picture, okay? Have a great time. Bye.